Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in the last video, we did learn the concept of goodwill and we also understood how you are going to treat the goodwill when there is a sacrificing and a gaining case, right? Now in this video, we are going to continue with the topic which is related to goodwill only. And in this video, we are going to learn about the calculation of goodwill, right? So without wasting any time, let's dive into the video. Okay, so basically there are three methods to calculate the goodwill. Those three methods are, the very first is average profit method, right? The next is your super profit method. Lastly, capitalization method. Right? So there are three methods that you can use to calculate the goodwill. जब तक आपके पास ये goodwill का अमाउंट नहीं होगा, आप अपने goodwill को ट्रेड नहीं कर पाओगे. तो सबसे पहले हमें ये सीखना है कि इस goodwill को कैसे कैलकुलेट करते हैं. तो इस goodwill को कैलकुलेट करने के there are three methods. The first one is your average profit method, next is super profit method, and the third one is your capitalization method. Now without wasting any time, I'm directly going to dive into each one of them. So let's start with average profit method. Okay, so we are starting with the very first method of calculating goodwill, and the name of the method is average profit method. Now as you can understand from the name itself, average profit, आपको goodwill निकालनी है average profit पे. Now what happens in the case, इसमें आपको काफी सालों के profit दे रखे होंगे, let's suppose 2014, 2015 and 2016, right? And the amount of the profits that they have given are 20, right, 30 and 10,000. So I am taking this as an hypothetical example, right? So there are the profits given of several years and those are previous year. आपको क्वेश्चन में बोला है कि आपको गुडविल निकालनी है इन सालों के एवरेज प्रॉफिट के बेसिस पर, right? Now firstly I am going to tell you the formula of this particular method. So what is the formula of this particular method? It is goodwill equals to number of years purchase into your average profit, right? So इस क्वेश्चन में आपको दो चीजें दिख रही हैं. The first one is your number of years and the second one is your average profit. तो आपके पास अगर ये दोनों चीजें होंगी, आप सिंपली अपने गुडविल की वैल्यू को निकाल लोगे. Now the first one is your average profit. आप किसी चीज का एवरेज कैसे निकालते हैं? So in this case आप अपने तीनों सालों के प्रॉफिट कैसे निकालोगे एवरेज? 20 plus 30 plus 10, it's going to give you 60,000, and you are going to divide it with the number of years, right? So 1, 2 and 3. So it is giving you 20,000, right? So the formula that you are going to put is 20,000, right? Now comes your number of years. So every time in the question that you are going to solve, it is always given in the question how many number of years of purchase are there. For example, it is given 2 years. So in this case, your goodwill is 40,000, right? And that too, ये जो goodwill होती है, ये आपकी goodwill होती है फॉर्म की. ठीक है? इस फॉर्मूले से आप जो goodwill निकालोगे, वो पूरी कंपनी की goodwill निकालोगे. उसके बाद in the last वीडियो मैंने आपको बताया था कि कैसे आपको goodwill को ट्रीट करना होता है. तो उसके बाद के जितने भी फर्दर स्टेप्स थे वो आप इस goodwill के अमाउंट के ऊपर कैलकुलेट करोगे, राइट? आई होप द फॉर्मूलाज एंड द कांसेप्ट ऑफ एवरेज प्रॉफिट मेथड इज क्लियर टू यू. नाउ लेट्स सॉल्व वन क्वेश्चन विदाउट वेस्टिंग एनी टाइम, राइट? ओके, सो लेट्स सॉल्व वन क्वेश्चन. द क्वेश्चन यू कैन सी ऑन योर स्क्रीन. रीड विद मी. Goodwill of a firm is valued at 3 years purchase of average profit of the last 5 years. The profit of each year ending are given as follows. Calculate the value of goodwill. I would advise you to take the screenshot of the question so that it will be more helpful to you, right? So in the question आपको उन्होंने बोला है कि काफी सारे years का which two are the previous years आपको profit दे रखे हैं. Simply you are going to write given previous years profit and their amount you are going to write here. So what they have told you in the question, 2011, 2012, 13 till 2015. 2011, 2012, 2013 2014 and 2015. We are simply going to write the amount 50,000 profit. For profit, write in the bracket P. Loss for the 2012, 20,000. Write L in the bracket. For 2013, it is given 10,000 as profit. 2014, 60,000 and 2015, 80,000. And both are your profit. Now what they have told you in the question, they have told you that your number of years of purchase. So that is given in the question 3 years of purchase. So you are simply going to write 3 years. Now the things that you have required to solve this question, आपको previous years के profit दे रखे हैं, आप इनके basis पे अपना average profit निकाल लो और आपको number of years purchase दे रखे हैं. So the very first thing that we are going to solve is the average profit. Now the formula for average profit, add all your profits and subtract your loss. Right? So 50,000 plus 10,000 profit plus 60,000 profit and plus 80,000 profit. And subtract your loss, which is in case 20,000. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 divided by 5. It is going to give you the average profit. How much average profit you are getting? You are getting 36,000. Right? Now simply what you have to do, you have to put in the formula, which is your number of years into your average profit. यही फॉर्मूला था आपका जो हमने अभी पढ़ा थोड़ी देर पहले. तो आपको सिंपली फॉर्मूला लगाना है, number of years are 3, your average profit is 36,000, the goodwill that you are getting is 1,08,000. The concept is very simple. Now this is the shortest part of the question that they can ask you in the exam, but usually this is being asked in the longer question as well. आपको पूरा एक full fledged question दे देंगे और वो आपसे पूछेंगे कि आपको as a part of this question goodwill निकालना है, then you have to further solve your question, right? So this is your goodwill of a firm. Now in this question they haven't asked you anything, they only asked you to calculate the value of goodwill, and that you have calculated. So the value of goodwill that you are getting is rupees 1,08,000. Now I hope the concept of average profit method is much more clear to you. In the next video we are going to take one more question so that you have a better understanding. So this is it from my side for this video. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.